archers!
Yeah!
We're doing it!
Woo!
This is real!
Hey!
What?
Where'd you guys get those bows?
They're in a box back there.
Yeah, it's right back there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you should go get one.
Oh, in a box. I should get one?
Yeah.
You didn't earn those bows, okay? I got my fucking bow. I earned it. I did the fucking code and the phantom tags and the phantom camos, and then I had to find 3 other stupid shits that had the same stuff that I did to get in a fucking elevator just to find out that Dice is gonna give this shit away.
Oh, man. I'm sorry. Yeah, you went through all that shit.
Oh, you're sorry.
Yeah, I would have never done that. I don't have the fucking time for
Me
that.
neither.
Hey, you know what you guys gotta do? Put the bows back in the box.
What?
Put it back in the
You
box!
can't put them back in the
I'm not
box.
gonna put it back in a box.
You don't deserve them, you little shits. Get them back in the box, drop them, get the hell out of here. I'm done.
I'm not putting the bow back in the box.
You guys talking about the Phantom Bow?
Yeah, these guys didn't earn theirs. They just got it from a crate in the woods.
Reminds me of what they did with the C-100. Any of you guys got one of those?
Oh, yeah, I got one right here.
Yeah, see what I mean? Any knucklehead with a freaking uniform gets one these days.
I don't think that's right. I mean, I had to earn it. I had to reach Colonel to get it.
After 2 years of this game being out, soldier, any idiot with enough spotting bonuses can reach Colonel.
I think that's a bit of an exaggeration, sir.
Hey guys, if you're using the bows, I'd avoid using the poison arrows. Pro tip.
All right, you guys enjoy those weapons you didn't earn. I just hope they don't start giving away the boat pod next.
Yeah, and any kills you guys get with those bows don't count. You fucking cheaters.
Oh, no, they do count. And you know what? I did earn this C-100.
Oh, okay, those Jeeps don't drive too good, guys. Up, anti-tank soldier to the north. What? Promoted? Promoted! Colonel 100! Oh, I got the 5-foot knife! I got the C-100!
Ah, forget it.
Oh my God!